X developers just announced the hosted X MCP, and the headline is simple. Agents can now connect to the X API through an MCP-compatible interface. That means Grok, Cursor, Claude Desktop, VS Code, and other agent clients can search posts, look up users, read docs, and work with real-time public conversation data from inside the coding workflow. Before we get into it, this video is produced from the current TechWealth local setup. It works with all coding agents, it fits the current setup, and the control layer stays fully local through Conductor at conductros.com. Now, the interesting part is not only that X made an MCP server. It is how they chose to bridge identity, OAuth, tools, and docs. Here is the actual announcement. X says the hosted X MCP lets agents access what it calls the best real-time information source in the world. The post names Grok, Cursor, and any MCP-compatible AI tool. The linked docs make the scope clearer. There are two hosted MCP servers. X MCP lives at api.x.com/MCP and is reached through xurl MCP. Docs MCP lives at docs.x.com/MCP and lets the assistant search and read X API documentation. So this is not just a chat feature. It is a bridge between agent clients, X API endpoints, and the documentation an agent needs to use those endpoints correctly. The architecture matters because it explains what changed and what did not. X still requires a developer app and OAuth. The hosted MCP endpoint does not remove identity. Instead, X recommends a tiny local bridge called xurl MCP. Your MCP client talks style JSON RPC to that bridge. The bridge handles OAuth, caches and refreshes tokens, and injects a fresh bearer token when it calls api.x.com/MCP. That means the agent gets a tool surface, while your XApp credentials and user permissions stay tied to your account. In plain English, this is a local authorization bridge in front of a hosted tool server. The setup path is refreshingly practical, but it is not zero responsibility. First, create an XApp in the developer portal with OAuth 2 enabled. Register the localhost callback, normally http://localhost:8080/callback. Copy the client ID and client secret into the MCP client environment. Then add the same bridge command to the client you use. Grok build has a Grok MCP add command. Cursor uses an mcp.json file. Claude Desktop uses Claude Desktop config. VS Code uses .vscode/mcp.json. The claim is not that every client has the same UI. The claim is that the server contract is MCP compatible, so the bridge command stays recognizable across agent tools. Now look at what the tool surface can actually do. The docs list posts, search, users, bookmarks, news and trends, and articles. Search is the obvious headline because agents can use the full archive, user search, and news search as research inputs. User tools let an assistant resolve handles and inspect timelines or mentions. Bookmarks are more personal because listing, adding, removing, and folder management act with your account permissions. Articles can be drafted and published, which is powerful but also a side effect lane. That is why this should be treated as a real operational interface, not a toy plugin. Reads are research. Writes need deliberate approval. The security section is the part beginners should not skip. X says you need your own developer app. You need OAuth 2, a registered redirect URI, and Node for MPX. The bridge can use environment variables or an active app registered in the xurl config. Tokens are cached locally and refreshed automatically. The docs also warn that the xurl token store and access tokens are secrets. Use a dedicated app with only the scopes you need. Do not commit secrets into mcp.json. Do not run verbose modes that garble the JSON RPC channel. If a client times out, raise the startup timeout instead of assuming the MCP server is broken. For builders, the bigger pattern is clear. APIs are becoming agent surfaces, not just SDKs. X is publishing docs in LLM-friendly formats, adding Docs MCP for retrieval, pointing agents at OpenAPI, and using MCP to expose operational tools. That means the next developer experience will be judged by how well an agent can discover the docs, authenticate safely, call tools, and recover from errors. The opportunity is not only to let an assistant search X. It is to build workflows where the assistant can inspect live conversation, compare it to official docs, draft a response, and then stop before any risky side effect. The winners will be the teams that separate read-only intelligence from account actions. Bottom line, the hosted X MCP is important because it turns X from a place an agent reads through screenshots into a real tool surface with docs, schema, OAuth, and client configs. If you build with Grok, Cursor, Claude, VS Code, Codex, or any MCP-compatible setup, this is the direction everything is moving. The current TechWealth setup is fully local, works across coding agents, and uses Conductor as the control surface. Check conductros.com and the GitHub repo linked below. The official X MCP docs, xurl repo, OpenAPI spec, and all sources used in this video are in the description.